G'day folks, we just had a pretty good snowstorm come through yesterday. Got about 18 inches, 20 inches of snow. Overall with a 70-kilometer-hour blowing wind, so it drifted up hard in places. We've just been digging out today, getting things back above snow. So today I got to pull my minnow trap that I put in my minnow farm. The reason I started a minnow farm was the price of minnows were getting ridiculous. There was almost up to $8 a dozen in some places. It wasn't hardly worthwhile buying minnows anymore. But I like fishing with minnows, so I had a pond here dug. It's probably about 60 feet in circumference. It's not very big, but I dug it 12 feet deep, so it has plenty of depth and a lot of water runoff through the surrounding ridges and stuff run right through this area. Keeps it reasonably topped up and fresh, and it seems to be doing all right. So this is the first winter after having stocked minnows. I have pulled a decent amount of minnows out before in the summertime. I haven't really done too much trapping in the winter on the pond yet. What I have gotten so far was just mostly small stuff. But being as we had a bit of a snowstorm and all that, I kind of got my trap froze in, so we gotta take it out and check what we got, see how we're doing. So when I put it in, I had 3 holes that I drilled with just the auger, but they've since kind of froze in, and now I can't get it back out. So I'm just gonna take the chainsaw and open her up and pull her out. Nice and refreshing. Very big chunk of ice. It's pretty cool, eh? Almost 14 inches of ice over here. So, got a couple of inches of water in my pail, so you can get the trap. So I'm set on the edge of a bank here. I'm in about 3 feet. Oh, I got a couple nice ones. Caught a frog. Wasn't expecting that. He wants to be sleeping. Away he goes. So it's a really healthy pond. It's reproducing. It's making these beautiful little... I've been told that they're common shiners, they're called. These ones are quite small. There's a nice one right there. Alright, that's just a quick little video. Hopefully you enjoyed some of the fun that happens on the homestead.